Integrating Monday.com Pulses is a straightforward process that allows you to automate workflows and enhance team collaboration. To begin, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to integrate pulses. A pulse in Monday.com is essentially an item or a task that represents a specific activity or project. To create a new pulse, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your board and select the type of pulse you want to create. You can choose from a variety of pulse types such as tasks, projects, or even custom items. Once you have created your pulse, you can start integrating it with other pulses and automation tools. To do this, click on the pulse and select the Automation tab. Here you can set up automated workflows by defining specific triggers and actions. For example, you can set up a trigger that sends a notification to a team member when a pulse is updated or moved to a specific column. Another key concept in integrating Monday.com pulses is the use of columns and boards. Columns are used to categorize and track the progress of your pulses, while boards provide a visual representation of your workflows. To integrate pulses across different boards, you can use the board-to-board automation feature. This allows you to automatically move pulses from one board to another based on specific conditions. To take your pulse integration to the next level, you can also use Monday.com's integration with other tools and apps. For example, you can integrate your pulses with Google Drive to automatically attach files to your pulses or with Slack to receive notifications in your team chat. Best practices for integrating Monday.com pulses include setting clear triggers and actions, using columns and boards to organize your workflows, and testing your automations to ensure they are working as intended. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com pulses and streamline your team's workflow.